morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I know yet again it's been a hot minute since the last one. This morning it is bright and early, it's currently 10 to 6 and we are in the Chaser heading to an all Japanese day. So I don't know if this is like the all Jap day that you know is sort of raved on about, but Aaron, Mr. Scary Supra, has sent this to us, so we're meeting up with him. This is actually his first time seeing the car, which is crazy because I've had it for months. So yeah, obviously he's a horrible friend, but that's alright. We're heading there bright and early. It's at some school on the north side, so we'll see. This car's pretty slammed now, so hopefully the entrance to that is yeah, low car friendly, but we'll see, and we'll take you guys along for the ride. So let's get it. Jay-Z day, baby.
I'm in sync with the earth, 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, let her ties in the hearse. I've been on the vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap, got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, do that ass survive, doing 80 to the house, then I hit it to the sky, change haters on a tirade, talking to their grip in the face, be still, let that hate stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe. I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel bent from the bib, take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grit, but it don't make sense, cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow, I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's cap. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
Truth in the glass in the mirror.
Yeah.
Do it at me, old man, tryna pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk, but the last one to hear. Eyes blurry, but I couldn't see the ass, and he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad bitches here, I'ma curve them all. 12 missed calls, and I still made a curtain call.
Alright, so we are at the meet now, all Jap day. A lot of people actually leaving. We've still got, what's the time? I don't know, 2 hours, hour and a half left. Wicked turnout. I actually thought this was going to be like a sort of a low-key sort of meet, but it's actually pretty hectic. There are some wicked cars. You guys should have seen some B-roll just over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, maybe. There's a 22B, which I've never actually seen in person, which is sick. But there's things from little K trucks, sick little MR2. It's actually hosted by a Mazda group. So there's heaps of like RX-7s, rotaries in general. And but yeah, there's some sick GTR section over there, heaps of Chasers, which has been pretty cool to see. And yeah, just a mint little pile of cars here, so it fills the whole thing. I've got the Chaser over there with Aaron Supra, and yeah, pretty rad. So super sick. We've got these Drongos here. Unpopular opinion, I actually saw these only recently, this like the new Civic, and I actually really like it. I think they look cool as. Mazda Cosmo, factory 3-rotor, pretty sick. But we're gonna walk around, you guys will see some B-roll, and yeah. What do you think, Aaron? You've finally seen the Chaser.
It's good. I want it.
Even no matter what he said, I'm probably going to put my voice over it, so I wish I had it instead of the Supra.
Yeah, well, you can't now.
It's good, isn't it? The colour, you like it?
Love it. It's one of my favourite colours, green.
See, coming from a celebrity, so
It's a shame it doesn't make any power though.
Yeah, it doesn't. So Aaron said he's going to donate his running gear, even if it is broken. And and then yeah, he's going to take the stock one, Joe. So how cool is this thing on the little bronze wheels?
Yeah, it's sick.
Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past supper when I came for the breakfast. Put me in your prayers, I might put you on the guest list. Young niggas in me reckless. Gold in my soul, got the same on my necklace, bitch.
Right, many of you guys will already know this car, but if you don't, this is Aaron's Supra. It's on reps, fake TEs just here, but that's all right. But this thing is absolutely mental. He's got his own custom pearl over his carbon. I'll try and get that in the light a little better. Didn't help at all. But anyway, that all is diffuser. You can sort of see it here. Custom pearl with full like color shift in it. And it is all throughout in his headlights. Along with the actual pearl in the car, like this thing is, yeah, proper cool car right here. He always used to give me shit about not having a JZ, so what now, buddy? Now I just need to make mine fast like this. But together, they do look pretty bloody sick. And if you hadn't already seen it, we've got new plates. I'll give you a few seconds to try and figure out what it may mean. Think about what car it's on. Correct, a Clout Chaser. Which the rear shows pretty good because the badge is there. So obviously being a car for the internet, being a Clout Chaser is quite fitting. But yeah, these things together, friendship goals right there. Absolutely sick. All right, so we have left the meet. We had about a 15-minute drive and we wanted to get some photos of the two cars. And look at this. How sick is that? So that is what I was talking about with his pearl. Whew. But what a absolutely sick combo. Now, if you are a Brizzy person, this is the Pinkenba boat ramp. Obviously, just be respectful, don't be stupid or anything, but if there's no boat people waiting, get your car on it and it looks so sick. Look at that. Roll the montage.
Bye, have a great time.